of course we're gonna use Korean stuff. I do have two Korean cushion foundation, but my skin became little bit glowy after. Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita and you guys are watching Miss Fluffy's channel. So today I become this from this. So today's video is specially made for Korean fan girlies, for those who love K-pop idols. So here is your chance to become a Korean girly to impress your K-pop idols. So in this video, I'm gonna share a step-by-step makeup look, how you create aegosal, soft girly makeup and become a Korean girl. So guys, today I'm gonna recreate this Korean look and here I am so ready with this Korean top with cute bow. So let's get started.
Skin prep is must before doing makeup, so I am using some toner. For hydrated skin, I am using Tarte & Kiss moisturizer. I'll share my Korean skincare routine very soon. Then I'm starting the makeup with primer. Hiding the dark spot is the main part here, so I am using foundation stick to hide my spots and a heavy base.
I do have two Korean cushion foundation, but I'm not gonna use them because they are too light for my skin tone.
So today I am using Malio's foundation, one shade lighter than mine, because today we are doing Korean makeup and Koreans have lighter skin tone.
So I'm done with the concealer and foundation part. I wanted a glowy look, so next time I'm gonna use illuminator with the foundation, so my skin became little bit glowy after the makeup. But for now, let's move on to the eye part. First, I'm going to use this one that I can use for the base. Next, I'm going to use some peach shade. Normally Korean people use very light shade for their eye makeup. Now I am going to use some orange for my under eye. And now I'm going to use some pink for waterline. I don't have a really thin brush, like it's a painting brush and I'm using it. I don't know, it's a new palette. I'm just gonna use this one.
For creating aegosal,
is it working? It looks something like this. And now I'm going to use some compact powder. Wow, it looks good. Now I'm going to put a little light shade in this area, so our aegosal look a little bit fluffy. It's a light peach shade, or you can say it's a peach shade. We are doing Korean makeup, so of course we're gonna use Korean stuffs. So this is Alicia glitter eyeshadow. See how glowy it looks. Wow, so magical. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I am obsessed with this glittery chunky, so I am just gonna add some more. I don't know the rules if I'm ruining the aegosal or not. Here we goes. Wow.
and now I am adding very little eye
I
wings.
think it's perfect because Korean don't do heavy eye wings. Just a little and that's it.
And then I am filling the eyebrows like I usually do.
Now let's do the blush. For blush, I am using this eyeshadow. A dark peach shade and a light peach shade. I am mixing them, and Korean, Japanese and Chinese people don't do like this. They use the blush in center of their cheeks like this.
And now let's move on to the nose contouring part.
Let's add some highlighter. Eye corners. So here we go.
I wanted to try a different lip shade for this Korean makeup look, but after doing all the parts, it looks something like this, and
Like angelic vibe is not giving.
So without a second thought, I applied the most viral and most used hack for this Korean makeup look.
And we are done. So how?
This look looks like.
But Koreans don't have this big face. So guys, please talk about the makeup and the technique. Don't talk about my face and the shape of my face. So guys, please comment how am I looking. So guys, this is all for today. Comment below which makeup look should I try next. Make sure you guys like, subscribe and share my video with your friends too. So bye bye, see you in my next one.